Hey guys, Daniel here of Pinoy Techno Guide, and this is the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It's a big smartphone that features a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with curved sides, nearly non-existent bezels at the top and bottom, and a punch-hole selfie camera. The back of the phone has a quad camera setup with 3 cameras arranged vertically and a 3D time-of-flight camera under its LED flash. Samsung has decided to remove the physical Bixby button as well as the 3.5mm audio jack. I have the Aura White color variant and you can clearly see those rainbow effects. If these are too flashy for you, then the black color variant might be the better choice. Of course, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus comes with the best specs. It's powered by a 2.7 GHz octa-core CPU with 12 GB of RAM. Opening apps and playing games are very smooth. What defines the Galaxy Note series though is the S Pen stylus, and it got several upgrades for this iteration. Particularly, it now supports several gestures for controlling the smartphone from a few meters away. For the cameras, the quad rear cameras are composed of a 12-megapixel main camera, 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera, another 12-megapixel telephoto camera, and the 3D time-of-flight camera. Here's a sample picture. It can shoot pictures at up to 2 times optical zoom and 10 times digital zoom, while videos can now have live bokeh effects. The selfie camera is 10 megapixels and takes bright selfies even in low light, just like this one. Powering the device is a 4300 mAh battery that supports up to 45 watts of fast charging. It also supports fast wireless charging and reverse wireless charging or wireless power share. The official price of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in the Philippines starts at 60,990 pesos for the 256GB version and 72,990 pesos for the 512GB version. The full specs sheet, pre-order details, and list of freebies are now available on Pinoy Techno Guide.